the ultimate hypercar carrying forward McLaren's legendary F1 and P1 heritage. In this video, we'll show you everything: the engine, the performance, the design, the detailing transformation, and why the W1 is one of the most extreme machines ever built. Stay with us till the end, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a supercar transformation on Wheels of Tomorrow. McLaren unveiled the W1 in October 2024, and only 399 units will be produced worldwide, making it an ultra-rare collector's dream. Built on the McLaren carbon lightweight architecture with extensive carbon fiber, it combines futuristic design with cutting-edge technology. Under the hood sits the MHP8 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an electric module, producing a combined 1,258 horsepower. The engine alone delivers 916 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, with the e-motor adding the rest. This insane power launches the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.7 seconds and 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in only 5.8 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 217 miles per hour, or about 350 kilometers per hour. The design is engineered for performance. The chassis uses McLaren's MCLA architecture for maximum strength and minimum weight. The active long-tail spoiler, front splitter, rear wing, and underbody aero systems all adapt dynamically to boost downforce, generating over 2,200 pounds of grip at speed. The W1 looks aggressive, but every curve is functional. Inside, the car is pure motorsport luxury. Dihedral doors open to a cockpit built with Alcantara, leather, and advanced digital controls. The steering uses hydraulic assist for better feel, connected to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with electric reverse. Braking comes from carbon ceramic discs, and the hybrid battery delivers a small electric-only range of about 2 kilometers. Dry weight is just 1,399 kilograms, keeping the power-to-weight ratio razor-sharp. Now let's talk detailing. To bring out the true shine of this hypercar, we begin with a thick foam pre-wash to loosen dirt and grime. Then we hand wash using the 2-bucket method with microfiber mitts, followed by a clay bar treatment to remove hidden contaminants. Paint correction and machine polishing restore the flawless depth of the exposed carbon panels, while ceramic coating locks in protection with stunning water beading. Inside, every inch of Alcantara and leather is carefully vacuumed, conditioned, and restored to perfection. Rims and wheels are deep cleaned and polished, completing the transformation. And now, the final reveal. The McLaren W1 gleams under the light, every surface flawless, every detail crisp. From dirty to dazzling, this car is once again ready to claim its place as one of the greatest hypercars ever built. If you enjoyed this transformation, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Wheels of Tomorrow for more epic supercar detailing transformations.